All right, time now for recipe of the week. I don't know this about you. You're a pretty good cook, right?
You know what? I say that I am, and then every time I come co-host with you,
it gets messed up.
It's a massive, epic failure.
That's me. I'm the magnet. All right, we're making a no-bake peanut butter pie. Sounds pretty good, right?
It does sound good. I mean, how can you go wrong with peanut butter?
Now, every day you do what to peanut butter?
Take a spoon.
Take a spoon. And
dunk.
Dunk.
Scoop.
Scoop.
And in the mouth.
And then right in the mouth. Yep. Every day you do some peanut butter.
Every single day.
All right, that's fantastic.
Isn't that how you do it, though?
I think it is. Right out of the jar.
Yeah.
All right, so we need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese,
okay.
1.5 cups confectionery sugar,
okay.
1 cup peanut butter.
You got it. Do we have enough left?
Yes, we've been sampling. 1 cup of milk.
It's called quality control, I think.
1 16-ounce package of frozen whipped toppings, so that's 2 8-ounces.
Yep.
And 2 9-inch prepared graham cracker crusts.
Okay, there.
All
okay,
right.
are we going for it?
Do we get any music?
Do we have music today? Okay, we're working on it.
Oh,
it's all good. Okay. I know, I was like, we got the music?
Okay.
No, we're working on it. It's okay. I was going to say, are we going to sing?
Oh, that's good. It's Johnny Cash.
What is this?
Who knows?
This is exciting. All right, so you're working on the peanut butter.
Here's 1 cup.
Okay, let's get the powdered sugar going here.
All right.
What you got over there? What kind of cup? Half a cup?
I use the cup. Yeah.
That's okay. You know what? We can just do some math here, and we can do.
Oh, okay. There's one over here.
Oh, here, look at that. We can do 3.
Oh, look at that. You're smart. Ding, ding, ding.
Yeah, 1.5 cups. I think is like it's 3 of these ones.
Perfect. Three of these ones.
These ones.
These ones. All right. Beat together cream cheese.
Yep.
And confectionery sugar.
Powdered sugar. I inhaled it.
All right, very good.
Okay, so, Woo!
Woo! This is like a cloud of
powdered sugar.
All right. Beat it. Beat it. No one wants to be defeated. All right. Okay, so we're doing that.
Yep.
Mix in peanut butter and milk.
All right.
Oh, you are really churning it up
I'm
there.
trying to just get it incorporated so that we can.
It looks really good.
Get it going,
It's flying around in there.
There we go. Now we're cooking with fire.
All right, very good.
Okay.
Mix in peanut butter and milk.
So you need a cup of milk.
All right, can we?
Yep.
The trick is to use the Pam, and we didn't do that, so I'm gonna have to use my fingers. I do apologize. Queen.
It's just us.
It's just us. It's you and me, baby.
Yeah, we're family.
Okay, there you go.
All right, ready? Milk goes in.
Okay. Okay. So Andrea is boothing the show today, which means she's
fantastic.
Her enthusiasm could rock a boat. It's like 3.
She's
3.
She's calm. She's steering the ship calmly.
I love it. Yes,
cool
I'd rather have
collected.
yelling. I'd rather have Jamie yelling. All right, that's looking a little soupy. All right, well, we'll see.
Well, we still have to fold in the.
Beat until smooth, fold in whipped topping.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm afraid to turn it up because it's going to splatter.
You totally know it. Should we fold this in?
Yeah, so let's do this.
Not with the beater?
There we go.
Oh, I see. Fold it in with this. You take it off of there.
Yeah.
You're smart.
Okay.
No, I was talking to Caitlin. I'm sorry, there are voices in my ears.
Jamie says she's smart too.
All right.
Oh, look at that. That was a really good 2.
Look at that. Oh, I didn't even realize that.
See?
Wow, this is a lot of whipped topping we're throwing in here.
Well, and then we freeze it.
Oh, is that what we do?
Mm-hmm.
All right, hang on a minute.
Yeah, all this.
All of it. Keep going.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Let's do it up.
Yeah, put it in there. Yeah. Yeah. Can I fold it?
Yeah.
We're making it weird, we're being told. All right. Now we fold it in.
stuff's.
Oh yeah, this is really gonna add a nice consistency.
All right, well, you do that. I'll get the pie crusts.
Okay. I'm folding it. This is how you fold. Remember that episode on Schitt's Creek where they're
Oh my
learning
gosh, I love that show.
when they're in the kitchen and they're trying to make like Mexican food.
Tacos, right?
Tacos.
Or,
And she's like, you have to fold it.
enchiladas. Yeah.
Enchiladas. And he was like, what is a fold?
And they're trying to like Google it.
Yes. 1 minute. Oh my God. All right, I think we're pretty good. All right, here we go. This is
Maybe.
all mixed in.
All right. Wow. All right, half and half.
Okay.
That looks pretty good.
Right? What do you think, Kate?
I think it looks delicious.
Okay, now you got to freeze this.
Yeah. So,
Not bad. You want to get the finished product?
sure, let's get
All
it
right,
out.
so we're going to finish this.
Oh, and then we
Oh,
decorate,
we can
it
decorate
with
with the
Reese's.
Reese's.
Freezer, obviously.
The freezer, Kate, freezer.
Obviously. You didn't see that. You saw nothing.
I saw nothing.
Okay.
All right, very good.
We got a special one in here with a weird angry face.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, there it is. It's done. It's
Looks
frozen.
good.
Looks delicious.
It looks really good.
Thank you.